The LG V20 USA here, and today I'm doing a video on the OnePlus 7T Pro 5G McLaren for T-Mobile. So this is one of two first 5G phones for T-Mobile. This phone got released on Friday, December 6th. So this is one of the first 5G phones for T-Mobile. So this is the McLaren version of the OnePlus 7T Pro 5G. What a fucking name for a phone, right? What a fucking name for it. So here it is. It's available in papaya orange, which is interesting color. 256 gigabytes of storage. That's internal storage. You don't get an SD card on this one, I don't think. So yeah. This is a very nice phone. You know. So on the right side of the phone, you have a power button and your power button on the right side. You do have a pop-up front-facing camera there. It will pop up when you guys use the front-facing camera. That's nice. And then on the left side, like I said, you have your volume key. You have your switcher key on the left side as well. On the back of the OnePlus 7T Pro 5G McLaren, you guys have three cameras on the back. Camera flash OnePlus logo, and you have McLaren branding down on the bottom. And it looks like it's like this textured back to it, which is really nice. To the right side of the phone, right there. What's that? That might be your SIM card, and that might be SIM card slot on the right side, and your power button is underneath of that, right? It's available in this papaya orange, which is interesting. So yeah, so the OnePlus 7T Pro 5G McLaren is $37.50 a month for 24 months. The full retail price for this phone is $899.99. So $900 for this phone, not too bad, you know. Nice looking phone, like I said. Y'all guys can buy this phone monthly or buy it for retail. It's up to you. So features of the OnePlus 7T Pro 5G McLaren is 48 megapixel main camera, 16 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, triple camera. So I think you get 48 megapixel main camera and two 16 megapixels. One is ultra wide and one is telephoto camera lens, I believe. 21 hours of talk time, 9.5 days of standby time there. You have a 6.67 inch 90 Hz display, fluid AMOLED. That's 3120 by 1440 pixels. That's 6.67 inches. That's 90 Hz refresh right there. So that's a win. So yeah. Other features you guys know, 5G of course, that's one of the first, that's like the main selling point for this phone. It's 5G enabled. This is one of two 5G phones for T-Mobile. This is the one of them, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G is the other 5G phone that T-Mobile got on Friday as well. Like I said before, 6.67 inch 90 Hz fluid AMOLED display, 2 times less zoom, nightscape camera mode, Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus, 256 gigabytes of UFS 3.0 storage, Warp Charge 30, dual stereo speakers, Dolby Atmos, in-display fingerprint and facial recognition. It has Oxygen OS based on Android 10, so that's pretty nice. It says here the OnePlus 7T Pro 5G McLaren delivers a next level viewing experience thanks to its smooth 90 Hz display, featuring the latest in fast charging technology and a versatile triple camera. The OnePlus 7T Pro 5G McLaren offers fast and smooth performance without compromise. So there you guys go. The one thing that's mind-blowing about this phone is the fucking name itself. That's a fucking long name for a phone. So the battery specs is 4,085 milliamp battery, USB-C, Wi-Fi is 802.11, ABGN, AC, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1. Alright. Snapdragon 855 Plus, Android 10 on Oxygen OS, 12 gigabytes of RAM. you do not have a micro SD card, so you cannot expand the storage. Wireless network 5G, 4G, 5G LTE, alright? No, man, that's 3G, 4G, 5G, and LTE, alright? Some supported email platforms, hearing aid, WEA compatible mobile hotspot, frequencies, weight is 7.26 ounces, the length is 0.34 inches, height is 6.4 inches, the width is 2.98 inches. So, yeah. And what you guys get in the box is y'all guys get the OnePlus 7T Pro 5G McLaren. God damn, what a fucking name for a phone. What a fucking name, right? Warp Charge Type-C USB cable, Warp Charge 30 power adapter, McLaren protective case, some tool, quick start guide, terms and conditions, and safety information and warranty card. Also, yeah. So, there you guys have it, the OnePlus 7T Pro 5G McLaren is now available at T-Mobile. It's $37.50 a month for 24 months, or $899.99 full retail price, and it's available in 256 gigabytes of storage. So check this phone out. It's a nice looking phone, great specs and stuff like that. It's worth checking out. And yeah, there you guys have it, OnePlus 7T Pro 5G McLaren, now available at T-Mobile. It's one of the first two 5G phones for T-Mobile, and I wonder if Metro will get this phone too. You never know if Metro will get this phone. I was surprised that Metro got the Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G, but Metro could get this phone too. We don't know, we just have to wait and see. That'd be cool if Metro gets this phone. That'd be awesome. I don't see why not. You know, it's a good phone, and I think that Metro customers would get this phone. And I think people would actually switch to Metro to get this phone. Be honest with you, I think people would actually switch if they really wanted this phone on prepaid. They could get it unlocked or buy it from Metro if Metro ever gets this phone, which you never know if they will or not. So we'll just have to wait and see if Metro would get the OnePlus 7T Pro 5G. So there you guys have it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. You guys, it really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.